Hey there, fabulous folks over 50. Today, we're going to explore how you can turn your beloved hobby into a profitable business. Whether you're looking to retire early, supplement your income, or just make life a bit easier, especially if you're in a physically demanding job, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Introduction. First off, let's acknowledge something important. You've got years of experience, a wealth of knowledge, and probably a hobby or two that you're passionate about. That's a perfect recipe for a successful business venture. Step 1. Identify your marketable hobby. Start by listing your hobbies. Think about crafts you enjoy, knitting, woodworking, painting, skills you've mastered, cooking, gardening, writing, knowledge you've accumulated, history, technology, fitness. Now, consider which of these could potentially make money. Remember, if you love doing it, chances are others will love what you create. Step 2. Research your market before diving in. It's crucial to understand your potential customers. Ask yourself, who would buy your product or service? What are they willing to pay? Is there a gap in the market you could fill? Use online tools like Google Trends or social media to gauge interest in your niche. Step 3. Start small and test the waters. You don't need to quit your day job right away. Start small, sell items at local craft fairs or farmers markets, offer services to friends and family, create an Etsy shop or a simple website. This allows you to test your business idea without a huge investment. Step 4. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, an online presence is crucial. Consider creating a website or blog, setting up social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, starting a YouTube channel to showcase your skills. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy, there are plenty of user-friendly platforms out there. Step 5. Price your products or services. Pricing can be tricky. Consider cost of materials, time spent creating, market rates for similar products or services. Remember, your experience and expertise add value, don't undersell yourself. Step 6. Market your business. Get the word out about your new venture. Use social media to showcase your work. Attend local business networking events. Collaborate with complementary businesses. Consider paid advertising on platforms like Facebook or Google. Step 7. Manage your time and energy. Remember, this is supposed to be enjoyable and less physically demanding. Set realistic goals and don't overcommit. It's okay to start slow and grow gradually. Examples of low-impact hobby-based businesses. Let's look at some specific examples. 1. Photography. If you love taking pictures, consider selling prints online or offering photography services for events. 2. Writing. Start a blog, write e-books, or offer freelance writing services in your area of expertise. 3. Crafting. Whether it's knitting, jewelry making, or woodworking, handmade items are always in demand. 4. Cooking or baking. Start a catering service, teach cooking classes, or create and sell unique food products. 5. Gardening. Offer landscaping consultations, sell plants or seeds, or start a gardening blog. 6. Teaching or tutoring. Share your knowledge through online courses or one-on-one tutoring sessions. 7. Pet care. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be a fun and rewarding business. Conclusion. Remember, turning your hobby into a business should be enjoyable. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets profit. Start small, be patient, and most importantly, have fun with it. Do you have a hobby you're thinking of turning into a business? Share in the comments below, we'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your golden years. Until next time, stay awesome and keep pursuing your passions.